I received this S7 Pro self-cleaning litter box as a gift, and in this video I'm going to walk you through everything from unboxing, setup, features, and how it works, plus my cat checking out a bit at the end. Starting with the unboxing, everything comes really well packaged. All of the components are protected and you get everything you need to get started right away, including the litter box itself, the pedal mat, and waste bags. Right away, one of the first things I noticed is the size. This is definitely an extra large litter box, which is great if you have bigger cats or multiple cats. It doesn't feel cramped at all, which I think is a really important feature. The design is also really clean and modern, so it doesn't look out of place sitting in your home. As I start setting it up in the video, you can see that the process is actually pretty straightforward. Everything fits together the way it should, and it doesn't take very long to get it up and running. You're basically just assembling the main unit, placing everything where it needs to go, and getting it ready for use. One thing I really like about this design is that it's an open top litter box. Some automatic litter boxes are fully enclosed, which can make some cats hesitant to use them. This one feels a lot more open and accessible, which can make the transition easier, especially for adult cats. Once everything is set up, I start going through the features. This is an automatic self-cleaning litter box, which means after your cat uses it, it will cycle through and separate the waste into a compartment. That's one of the biggest benefits. You don't have to scoop every single time your cat uses the litter box. In the video, I show how the cleaning cycle works so you can see exactly what happened. It's designed to be pretty efficient and helps keep the litter area cleaner throughout the day. Another major feature is the app control. This allows you to connect the litter box to your phone so you can monitor and control it remotely. You can adjust settings, check on usage, and just have a better overall idea of what's going on without having to physically check it every time. I go through the setup process for that as well, so you can see how it connects and what the interface looks like. The waste compartment is also really easy to access. It uses bags, which makes cleanup simple. When it's full, you just remove the bag and replace it. In the video, I show how that area is set up so you can see how it works in real use. The included pedal mat is another nice feature. It helps catch litter as your cat comes out, which can reduce how much gets tracked around your house. Especially if your cat tends to kick litter around, this can make a noticeable difference. As I continue going through everything, you can see how the overall system is designed to be low maintenance. Instead of daily scooping, you're really just managing the waste compartment and making sure everything stays clean and running properly. Towards the end of the video, my cat checks it out a little bit. She is an adult cat, so it is a little harder to get her to fully cooperate on camera or immediately jump in and use something new. That's pretty normal though. Most cats take a little time to adjust to a new litter box, especially an automatic one. You can see her still getting curious and checking it out, which is a good sign. With something like this, it's just about giving them time to get comfortable with it. Overall, this is a really convenient upgrade if you're looking to make litter box maintenance easier. It's large, easy to set up, has helpful features like the automatic cleaning system, app control, and open design. It takes a lot of the daily work out of managing a litter box while still keeping things clean and functional. In this video, you can see everything from start to finish, unboxing, setup, features, and a look at how it works so you can get a full idea of what to expect.